Hey guys, and in this video let's do a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus versus the OnePlus 8 Pro. So both these are amazing devices. The Galaxy S20 Plus comes with Exynos 990 CPU while there is Snapdragon 8655G in the OnePlus 8 Pro. You can see the differences in the design language of both these phones, the bezels and all. Yeah, I'll be also sharing some camera samples by the end of this video, so make sure to watch full video and like and subscribe. So kicking things with a boot up comparison in 3, 2 and 1, here we go. Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus versus the OnePlus 8 Pro. Oxygen OS based on stock versus One UI. Both these features 120Hz display, so let's see which one wins this race. And that was a really close call, guys. The Galaxy S20 Plus was a tiny bit ahead. So guys, both these are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and there are similar applications installed that will be used for testing. There are no applications running in the background, so let's start with System Dialer in 3, 2, 1. That was quicker on the OnePlus 8 Pro. Messages, same. Camera, that is quicker on the OnePlus 8 Pro again. Play Store, okay, OnePlus 8 Pro. And now settings, that's same. So these were some basic stuff. Now let's move to some heavy games and applications like Angry Birds in 3, 2 and 1. You can see the animation difference, both running 120Hz, smooth display, and the OnePlus 8 Pro really fast. Subway Surfers, okay, that's almost same guys, but OnePlus is a winner here. Social media image sharing application Instagram in 3, 2, 1. Same. My Profile, Apple Music. Listing first there in the OnePlus 8 Pro. Quora. OnePlus again. Reddit. Okay guys, so this time Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus wins. Now some really huge games like PUBG 3, 2, 1. And the Exynos 990 is a decent CPU but not as great as 865. So you can see the OnePlus 8 Pro is a clear winner here, and that's by a noticeable margin. Now COD. Okay guys, so you can see the OnePlus 8 Pro is again the winner here. Mortal Kombat. So guys, you can see the actual difference in the performance of S20 Plus versus the OnePlus 8 Pro. And this is the gap you will surely notice in a real life usage also. You can see the winner here. And now rendering. So 1080p 60 FPS, let's go. Exynos 990 versus Snapdragon 865 5G CPU. And this is a huge gap. And now let's do the RAM management test. Let's see which smartphone has refreshed the applications. Phone dialer, Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, messages, again S20 Plus, Play Store, Angry Birds. Okay guys, so Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus RAM management is pathetic. Subway Surfers, wow, Instagram, PUBG, Mortal Kombat, COD. So guys, you can see that the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus is not as great as the OnePlus 8 Pro in terms of the RAM management. In terms of booting up, the Galaxy S20 Plus wins, and in terms of the design, I like the design of S20 Plus more than the OnePlus 8 Pro. But in terms of the overall performance in opening games and applications, and also in terms of the RAM management, you just cannot beat the OnePlus 8 Pro. Now I'll be sharing some camera samples and you can see the saturation, the color difference and the details in the OnePlus 8 Pro versus the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. The S20 Plus captures more saturated shots which actually looks great, and the dynamic range is also better. Here's a normal shot, telephoto shot and ultra wide shot. The Galaxy S20 Plus maintains the details and colors, while the OnePlus 8 Pro actually loses some of these colors and the details are not as great as the S20 Plus. The selfie shooter is amazing on the OnePlus 8 Pro. It clearly beats the S20 Plus in terms of details and in terms of the colors. So that's all guys, thanks so much for watching the OnePlus 8 Pro versus the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Which one would you buy? Yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.